Assalamu alaikum. In this video we will discuss about the preconditions of namaz. The precondition of namaz means that we have to look for these conditions before praying the salah. Like if these conditions are present, then we are eligible to recite namaz. If any of the condition is missing, we cannot pray the salah. So the first one is cleanliness. Cleanliness mean that your clothes should be clean and the place where you are performing the salat should be clean. The second one is sitri aurat. Sitri aurat is basically the Arabic word. It means veiling, means covering your private parts like hair and other private parts. And the second thing is not wearing the tight clothes. For girls, it should be girls should cover their hairs, their other body parts. Just the face, the hands and the foot can be remain uncovered. The third one is istiqbal qibla. Qibla is the direction in which the Muslim pray the namaz. So before praying the namaz, a person should know the direction in which he is going to pray the namaz. The third one is time. Praying salat at the appropriate time. For example, if it's the asr namaz at the asr time, then the person will pray the asr time, the asr namaz, not the zuhr or maghrib. If it's the fajr prayer time, then the person will perform the fajr namaz, not the others. So intention, having proper intention before salah. And the sixth one is takbir tahrima. Takbir tahrima is the name of Allahu Akbar. When you will say Allahu Akbar, it means that you entered the namaz.